Good day everyone. In today's computer class, we will cover the remaining part of chapter 2, Charts in Calc. In previous videos, we have covered about charts, various types of charts in detail, and in this video we will cover various components of charts, how to create a chart, and the formatting of chart. First of all, you can see this picture. Here there are different components of charts like chart title, plot area, y-axis, axis title, x-axis, legends, grid lines. You can see in this picture. Here chart title, it is the descriptive text at the top of the chart. X-axis is also known as category axis. It is the horizontal axis of the chart. You can see here x-axis, and the y-axis, it is called value axis as well. It is the vertical axis of the chart. Data series is the set of values to be plotted on the chart. Legends, these are the legends you can see here. Legends are basically used to identify each data series differently. You can see here the purple color is for Rohan, red is for Gautam, green is for Ronit, and so on. These are the legends. It describe each data chart differently. Now grid lines, you can see here, these are the lines are known as grid lines. It make easier to identify each data type properly. Plot area, it is the area on which data series are to be plotted. Chart area, the entire chart area is, you can see here. And axis title, the titles given to x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. Z-axis is used when we are using 3D chart. Here name and marks. Name is given to x-axis and marks is given to y-axis. You can see here. And these are the description of various component of charts like chart title, x-axis, y-axis, data series, and so on. Okay, now this picture you can see a chart has been formed. How it has been formed? First of all, we need to enter the entries in calc. Like I have entered here name, 3 subjects and some numbers. Just select whole data, then click on insert. You can see here, and there is an option chart. When you click over here, what happened? It will open up like this. A dialog box is open. It has 4 steps. You can see here. Chart type, data range, data series, chart elements. First of all, it will ask you to choose the chart type. You can see here. These are the various chart types like column chart, bar chart, pie chart, area chart, and so on. If you want 3D look, you can just click over here. When you click on next, it will go to second step, data range. See, here is the data range. It is nothing, just the data which you have entered in the cells which you have selected, like this, which we have selected over here. This is the data range. When you click on next, then you will find this dialog box. You do not need to do anything, just click on next. Then you will see here chart elements. It will ask you to type title, x-axis, y-axis. You just do that and display legends where you want to display the legend. Left, right, top, bottom. Select as per your choice and then click on finish. In this way you will get your chart. Now This is formatting chart. How to do the formatting? Just click the chart and do the right click. There would be an option chart format. Then click over here. You will get an option chart area, one of the option. Then here border, if you want border of any color you can select here. This is a style, same area, and then transparency. Just click over here, choose the color, choose the pattern. You will get your chart according to your choice. I hope you will understand this topic. This is very easy and I want you to do practice of making chart. Thank you.